Hello my dear cookies all over the world. I have assembled a new Arduino setup and I thought I should show it to you. It's still powered by my beloved USB power bank and it consists of an Arduino Uno board, an 8 push button blade, and this LED matrix with 4 units of 8 to 8 LEDs. So I thought, what can I do with it? And one of my first thoughts was it would be a great backlight for a bicycle. So what can we do with a bicycle? We can ride it, of course, and we can turn it to the left or to the right, and in this case, if I push the right button, you can see the LED matrix would show the drivers behind us, the turn we will take on. So I push again and it's over, also with the right button. But that's not all. Of course, if you pull the brake, in this case I have to hold it, it would show something, and of course we can change the appearance of the matrix. Well, that's it. Can start also a little demo. And in fact that's all. Now I just need a case for that and a bicycle. I hope you enjoy it, and maybe we will meet us again on this channel. Bye!